All right, what's up, guys? So I'm testing the Link ECU. I'm bench testing it. And so right now the ECU is turned on. That's pin 52 is my yellow. Pin 100 is my blue. 100 is power. Yellow is ground. So right now we're gonna click it onto the computer. We're gonna plug in our USB. We're going to go over to Link ECU. We're gonna go into the software. All right, so we're in the software. We're gonna go to auxiliary outputs. We're going to go to engine fan. We have injector 7 off right now. So right now I'm gonna put my multimeter in continuity beep mode. So we don't even have to look at it, we can just hear it. So now I'm gonna connect the battery to ground. And then I'm gonna go to the pin 8. Nothing. Huh. Nothing. This is weird. All right, I don't know if you're seeing this. My multimeter is definitely on. Continuity is on. Our test state. Our test state, we're on right now. So now, like I was saying, we're gonna go to pin 8. We're gonna go to pin 8. Ready? Multimeter's working. We're gonna go straight on. I don't know what's going on. So when I do continuity, I should have continuity both ways, right? So right now I have continuity. You know what? We need to read this actually. We cannot read this. Okay. Y'all gotta see this. But like one thing I don't know why is like it's staying on after I keep it off. You know what I mean? Like I keep it on, boom. Like I keep it on for a few seconds. I take it off and it's still beeping. And then it reads like 21 millivolts or something weird, bro. Ready? Like, do you hear that? I'm taking it off. Ready? Off. Nah, bro, you gotta see this, bro. You see that? I know y'all are gonna say it's grounding out, but I promise you this is something else. And look, there's that 24 millivolt. Yeah, it's ground right now. I don't know, bro. I'm fucking stumped. So I'm watching everything back, and if you look right here, if you look at my ground, my multimeter ground was on the ground, and the multimeter's positive was hitting the ECU, and it didn't work. But now when I put the multimeter's positive onto the ground on the battery, and then the multimeter's negative on the ECU, for some reason this beeped. But if I swap it around, it will not work. As far as I know, that's not how continuity works. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter what end you put where, it better send that signal through. So this is a good multimeter, power probe. But because I know this one works both ways, I'm about to pull this one out, and I'm gonna see if there's a difference within multimeters. All right, so now we have the other multimeter, and we're just testing it. You know what I mean? We're gonna put our signal, our aux fuel number 7 test to on. Our active state is on low. So the test we're testing though is this red one. So first we're gonna put this black one. We're gonna put the black on the battery. All right, and then we're gonna put the red one on our pin number 8. You ready? All right, she's not hearing nothing. All right, let's swap it around. Yeah, it's fucking weird. I don't know. Okay, guys. So now I have one last test. And this test is based on the previous video where I tested voltage coming from the pin. Now, our aux fuel or our aux fan number 7 test is on off right now. Our multimeter, we're going to be setting it to testing volts. So what I am going to do is I'm going to connect my positive, and we're going to go to the positive on the battery, okay? All right, so we've got our positive on the battery, and we're going to use our negative, and we're going to test the voltage coming from this pin. All right, now we're gonna switch our aux fuel number 7 test to on. Our positive is on the battery, and now our negative multimeter cable is going on pin 8. And now we have 9.98 volts, 9.9 volts, 9.9 volts. Can you see that? 9.9 volts. We're gonna test the battery real quick. Yeah, 12.8 volts. So, it's so weird.